Daily school runs, weekend road trips, quick grocery dashes, all easier when buckling your little one isn't a wrestling match. These rotating car seats turn the daily grind into something smoother, safer, and a lot less back-breaking. From clever magnetic clips to smart safety tech and plush, breathable fabrics, each seat brings real relief to busy parents and comfort to every ride. Let's get into it. All product links are below in the description. For live updates and fresh picks by the hour, head over to thedetailedguide.com. Number 8. Graco Extend to Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. Give your little one a safer, longer, and more comfortable ride with the Graco Extend to Fit Convertible Car Seat. Thoughtfully designed to keep your child rear-facing for longer, up to 50 pounds. It features an adjustable extension panel that adds up to 5 inches of precious legroom, helping growing legs stretch out instead of cramping up. The plush, removable head and body inserts wrap your baby in cozy comfort on every trip, while the Simply Safe Adjust system lets you change the headrest and harness height in seconds. No rethreading needed. Built with Graco's trusted Protect Plus engineering, it's tested to help shield your child in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. Soft yet durable cotton fabric feels gentle against delicate skin. Number 7. Disney Baby Turn and Go 360 Rotating All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. Bring Disney magic into your daily routine with the Turn and Go 360. The full 360-degree rotation helps you lift your child in and out comfortably from birth up to 100 pounds, covering rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster stages. The safety swivel feature locks the seat securely, and CLEARTEX shows a clear red to green indicator when belt tension is correct, taking away guesswork. Soft, machine-washable fabrics, plush infant inserts, and a 10-position adjustable headrest keep kids cozy and supported. 2 removable dishwasher-safe cup holders help prevent spills from turning into bigger messes. Installation is simpler with a built-in belt lock-off arm, and you only need to install the base once. 6. Graco EASYTURN Car Seat. The Graco EASYTURN 360 takes daily buckle-ups from awkward to almost effortless. Its standout feature? A 360-degree rotation you can unlock with just one hand, letting you turn the seat toward you whether it's rear-facing or forward-facing. That smoother motion means less bending and twisting, especially helpful in compact cars or for parents with back pain. Built with Graco's Protect Plus engineering, it's tested against frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes for extra peace of mind. A reassuring click tells you when it's securely locked back into place. As your child grows from 4 to 65 pounds, the 10-position no-rethread harness and adjustable headrest makes size changes simple. Though instructions could be clearer, daily use feels intuitive. Machine-washable covers help keep everything fresh after spills. Families often highlight how it balances practical design, proven safety, and price, making it a strong pick for parents who want reliable performance that keeps pace with busy life. 5. MAXI-COSI PERI 180 Rotating Infant Car Seat. Compact, lightweight, and thoughtfully built, the MAXI-COSI PERI 180 simplifies buckle-ups for newborns and infants. Its 180-degree rotation means you can turn the seat toward you, making loading and unloading easier, especially when balancing bags or strollers. Safety leads the design, with a load leg and anti-rebound bar that adds stability and help reduce movement during sudden stops or crashes. Red to green belt indicators help confirm correct installation, while the Quick Connect latch system speeds up setup. At just 7.5 pounds, seat only, it's easier to carry between home and car. Breathable mesh panels, an extendable UPF 50+ canopy, and magnetic chest clip all add to daily comfort and convenience. Parents love the side impact protection, and note the no rethread harness makes quick adjustments hassle-free. Though recline controls can feel less obvious, the PERI delivers lightweight practicality and solid safety in one package, especially useful for city life, small cars, or families always on the move. 4. Baby Jogger CITY-TURN Rotating Convertible Car Seat. Built for everyday ease, the Baby Jogger CITY-TURN rotates 180 degrees to bring your child 10 inches closer, saving you from leaning deep into the car every time you buckle up. The CoolMax fabric keeps kids cooler by wicking away moisture, making it a comfort boost in warm climates. A 10-position headrest and harness adjust together as your child grows, and a built-in belt tensioner helps secure installation. Though it's on the bulkier side and works best in roomy back seats, Parents say the smooth slide and turn feels sturdy and intuitive. Spot clean fabrics do require more care, but the everyday convenience often outweighs it. Tested to meet strict safety standards, it transitions from rear-facing to forward-facing, covering little ones from infant to toddler stages. Many families appreciate how the thoughtful design saves back strain, especially during pregnancy or with multiple kids. A solid blend of comfort, safety, and practical daily use. 3. MAXI-COSI ME 360 all-in-one rotating convertible car seat. From infancy to booster stage, the MAXI-COSI M360 adapts as your child grows. The 360-degree rotation makes rear and forward-facing buckle-ups easier on your back and shoulders, then locks when used as a booster for older kids. Quick fit technology adjusts the headrest and harness together in 10 positions, so fit checks take seconds. The pure cozy fabrics are machine washable, dryer friendly, and made without added flame retardants, keeping things both cleaner and healthier. A red to green indicator helps confirm harness tightness, while side impact foam adds protection without feeling stiff. Though heavier than some seats, families love the dishwasher-safe cup holders and magnetic chest clip that keep daily messes in check.
Number 2. CYBEX SIRONA S Rotating Convertible Car Seat. Packed with thoughtful safety tech, the CYBEX SIRONA S rotates a full 360 degrees, making it easier to lift your child in and out in both rear and forward-facing modes. Its anti-rebound base and advanced linear side impact protection add strong crash protection. The sensor-safe chest clip alerts you on your phone if your child unbuckles, if it gets too hot inside, or if you accidentally leave them behind, adding an extra layer of peace of mind. Dense, breathable foam and soft fabrics keep rides comfortable, and machine-washable covers simplify cleaning. Though larger and best suited to SUVs or spacious back seats, parents praise the easy belt path installation and solid feel once installed. A generous sun canopy offers extra shade, and cup holders pop out for cleaning. Some report occasional false app alerts, but most see them as better than missing a real warning. CHICCO Fit 360 CLEARTEX Rotating Convertible Car Seat. Daily buckle-ups get easier with the CHICCO Fit 360. Its smooth 360-degree rotation helps you load and unload your child without twisting or bending uncomfortably, especially handy during rushed mornings. The lever-lock self-tensioning lock system means installation feels secure from the start, applying the right belt tension automatically. Ventilation built into the seat back keeps air flowing so rides stay cooler. A quick, secure magnetic chest clip and 15-position adjustable headrest keep up with your child's growth from 4 to 65 pounds. Parents love the sturdy steel-reinforced frame paired with GreenGuard Gold certification, showing it's made without added flame retardants. Dual dishwasher-safe cup holders handle snacks or drinks, and the machine-washable fabric saves time on cleanup. Though heavier than some, many families say the Fit 360 balances convenience, safety, and long-term value. Whether you're on quick errands or long road trips, it helps turn buckle-up moments from a daily chore into something smoother and less stressful. Thanks for watching! Tell us your favorite in the comments below. For more product pics and updates, don't forget to like and subscribe.